just dropped off Mary and I asked her if she will marry me. What do you think she said? Oh, let me finish the ride. 5 stars for you, Mary. 5 stars. Always 5 stars. Come on, baby. 36, 46, 53, 53, 53. It's coming, baby. It's coming. It's coming. And you guys know Mondays are a little bit slow. Why? Because the holiday season is over. And January and February tend to be a little bit slower for Uber drivers. What are we at, my friends? 53, I got my math right. Hell yeah. What is that? LA exit? El Segundo? Oh man. Shit. This is what I don't like. Like, I don't even, that was like 13 bucks rematched. But I dropped Uber XL. I should have gotten rematched for Uber XL. And I was just literally cutting across to get the hell out of here. That's what it gave me. Oh my God. Okay, now I pulled over so I can take a break. I don't know if I should have taken that or not, but I'm just studying the map. Which way should I go? You know what? It's showing a surge towards Santa Monica. And I've got to make a decision. I think there was a surge. I knew it. See, look, guys, this is where I was supposed to be this morning. This is the biggest lesson that I learned. The cruise came. And I didn't go there. Uber heard I was going to go there and gave me 17 bucks. But I'm going to do it anyways. I'm hoping it's going to be busy out there. So I think this is the cruise right here. Let's just go that way. And then if I get another 15 bucks, I'll take it. Otherwise, I'm going to keep working my way towards the cruise. How far away are you, my friends? Okay, that's not bad. 27 minutes. That's what we're going to do. We're going to head that way. And if I get 15, 20 bucks, I'll take it. Otherwise, that's the plan. You guys know I don't waste any time, right? I just took a little break at the airport, uploaded 2 more videos to both of my channels, right? One is uploading right now showing that I picked up Mary for $17. And then if you go to my main channel, that's becoming for rideshare podcast. Ooh, 1 more subscriber. I love it. And if you look over here, I mean, bro, guys, this, you can't get more real than this. The video's uploading, but right now, as soon as it's done, look at this. The podcast is ready to go. I've got little videos, 9-10 minutes long, 2-3 minutes long, already being uploaded. And right here, this is the best part. I was listening to Ronnie Speed TV, man. This guy's awesome. I love listening to him. Look, the video that I just finished and made $17, I couldn't upload because I was picking up Mary, and I had to make sure, you know, there was something that needed to be double checked. I checked it, I uploaded it. Now I'm recording my 4th video of the day. Oh no, shoot, I'm recording my 5th video of the day. My bad. Now we're gonna go and see if we can pick up somebody on our way. And the biggest thing I want you to realize is Mondays, you want to be towards San Pedro in the morning, especially if you live out in Long Beach. But why? Because the cruise comes in, and cruise comes in is guaranteed. Look, it's still surging. It's still surging. I believe the cruise came in around 8, so the surge over there is going to be there at least till 9:30. I don't know if I'm going to make it. I'm hoping on my way I get something that pulls me back, because my gut feeling is LAX around 11 o'clock on Monday will still be good. But we'll find out. Yeah, look at that. See, right now it's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's showing 74 flights, 65 flights, and 78 flights. But according to Uber, Monday at 11 o'clock is still a good chance to be at LAX. I'm hoping I get something where I come right back for 15 bucks. Or 20 bucks, you know, we'll take 20 bucks. There it is, $6. Accept. Most people will accept that, not me. I'm listening to my own podcast and making sure there's no mistakes, checking the audio, and not wasting any time. And yes, I'm not using Uber navigation to get to where it's trying to get me to go to. Oh, there you go. Yeah, we'll do $13. That's good enough for me. Thank you. Thank you.